Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we're going to talk about something that stops even talented people, that leaves even confident people in doubt. That is, overthinking. Today you'll learn why overthinking happens, how it's slowing you down, and most importantly, how to get out of it. Why does overthinking happen? Overthinking is actually the result of fear. Fear of failure, rejection, judgment, fear of making a mistake. Your mind wants to protect you. That's why it imagines every possible negative scenario. The problem isn't that you overthink. The problem is that you don't take action. You drain your energy by overthinking, and when the time for action comes, you're exhausted. How does overthinking harm you? 1. It diminishes confidence. 2. It delays decisions. 3. It increases anxiety. 4. It makes you miss opportunities. You make plans 100 times, but never start even once, waiting for the perfect moment. Time just flies by. Remember, clarity comes from action, not thinking. How to control overthinking? Follow these 4 simple steps. 1. The 5-second rule. Whenever your mind goes into a negative spiral, count from 5 to 1 and take immediate action. 2. Write it down. Whatever you fear, write it down. 80% of fears seem meaningless once written down. 3. Think of the worst-case scenario. What would be the worst that could happen? In most cases, the answer is nothing. For action perfection. Don't wait to be perfect. Even imperfect action is better than no action. Overthinking makes you feel safe, but doesn't allow you to grow. Life belongs to those who take action despite fear. Make a decision today. Think less, do more, because if you don't control your mind, then your mind will control your life.